Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the texture size of a texture button in Godot. First, go ahead and select your root node. Now, click the plus button on the left side and add a texture button. Then select the texture button, expand textures property, and set a texture to it. Once you add it, you might notice something. You're not able to resize the button by dragging it in the editor. Don't worry, this is a common issue. To fix it, go to the inspector panel. Look for the option called Ignore Texture Size and enable it. Next, find Stretch Mode and change it from Keep to Scale. And just like that, you can now freely resize your button using the mouse. You can hold Shift while moving to keep the aspect ratio. Now, let's look at another way to control the button size. Go to the Layout section and find Custom Minimum Size. Let's say we set it to 100 by 100 pixels. Now the button size is limited to that value. But if you want to control the actual size, scroll down to the Transform section and adjust the size values there. Finally, if you want to keep the image from stretching or distorting, change the stretch mode to Keep Aspect. This way, you can resize the button while maintaining the original proportions of the texture. And that's it. Now you know multiple ways to control texture button size in Godot. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.